Japan is always ahead of us in the tech world. This fact is reflected in the highly equipped robots they designed. However, when we think of robots, it is obvious that more advanced versions are coming in the future. But Japan has shocked the world with 3D printing. Get ready to be surprised by the details surrounding this innovative technology. Introduction: a groundbreaking leap in biomedical engineering. Imagine a future where organs and whole human bodies are 3D printed. A team of biomedical engineers from Japan has brought us closer to this reality. They've developed a new technology that allows for 3D printing of organs inside the human body. This new tech could signal a change in medical procedures and ultimately lead to the printing of fully functional human beings. What is 3D bioprinting? 3D bioprinting is the process of making structures that resemble the natural human tissues. This is done using live cells and biological substances. This advanced form of 3D printing can be used to repair organs and damaged tissues. It can even be used to repair damaged or blocked blood vessels. An even more interesting part is that these printed structures grow into live cells, but the body doesn't reject these cells and instead accepts them. The future, cloning, and beyond. The leader of the Japanese research team said that their bioprinting device is going to change the field of medicine. According to him, within the next 7 years, the device could be available for broader use. This means that shortly we could be seeing true human clones, produced with high precision and accuracy. Why this matters: a new era of medicine and robotics. So why are we all excited about this new development? This is because this technology offers more than just medical benefits. Picture needing a new heart or liver, and instead of waiting for a donor, doctors could print one just for you, inside your body with no need for surgery. It has broken barriers that we thought were impossible to break. The world of robotics has also seen a major shift. Most current robots are limited to mechanical parts, but these new robots could live much longer, as their cells regenerate and heal just like a natural human. This means that in the future, robots won't just be machines, they might just be alive, learning like humans. Other companies in the race. While Japan leads this incredible revolution, other companies such as Boston Dynamics, OpenAI, and Tesla are growing in robotics as well. However, their focus remains on AI robots. Japan, however, has taken a biomedical approach, using the power of 3D printing to combine human and machine. The ethical dilemma: playing God? As with any new developments, there are ethical questions. Are we getting too close to playing God? The ability to create living humans raises major concerns about human rights and identity. What happens when a 3D printed human has to live with naturally born humans? Will they be treated the same? Yet, as we marvel at the technical possibilities, we must also prepare for the societal changes that bioprinting could bring. It's not just about medicine or robotics, but about how we, as a society, will handle the arrival of human-like creations as a whole. The dawn of a new age. As technology continues to advance, we are on the verge of creating life from machines. From 3D printing organs to almost printing entire humans, this Japanese innovation will not only reshape medicine, but also redefine what it means to be human. Thus, the implications are huge, from curing diseases to reducing transplants. Are we prepared for a future where humans and machines are intermingled? This is the future of robotics and humanity. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in AI robots and technological breakthroughs.